Hello friends, welcome to John Lewis NEET Chemistry channel. In this presentation we will see question number 11 from Haloalkanes and Haloarenes chapter. Consider the reaction CH3 CH2 CH2Br plus NaCN gives CH3 CH2 CH2Cn plus NaBr. So here it has undergone substitution reaction. This bromine is substituted by Cn. This is a substitution reaction. But what type of substitution it undergoes? We know there are two types of substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction and bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here this will undergo SN2 types of reaction. Why? How do I know? Or how you can find out this is SN2 type? So what type of halogen compound it is? So this is a primary halogen compound. This is a primary halogen compound. So what is primary halogen compound? So here bromine is bonded to this carbon which is having two hydrogen, then it is primary. If it is having only one hydrogen, secondary. If it is having no hydrogen, that is tertiary. See, the primary halogen compounds generally undergo SN2 types of reaction. Okay, so now the reaction will be the fastest in, so they are given some solvents here, ethanol, methanol, N-prime dimethyl formamide and water. So they are given 4 solvents. In which solvent the reaction will be the fastest, they are asking. But now we have determined this will undergo SN2 types of reaction. So SN2 types of reaction will undergo the fastest way in what type of solvent, that we should know. So here ethanol, what is the formula of ethanol? C2H5O minus and H plus. So this is a polar solvent and also protic solvent. This is having H plus ion. And second one, B is methanol. So methanol also, it is a polar, plus and minus charges are there, and also proton is there. Therefore polar protic solvent. And you take D, water, so water is HOH. So here O is delta minus and hydrogens are delta plus, because oxygen is more electronegative. This electron pairs will be pulled towards oxygen, thereby it attains in partially negative and hydrogen attains partially positive. So this is a polar solvent and also this is having proton, H plus ion. But if you take option C, that is N-prime dimethyl formamide. What is formamide? HCO NH2 is formamide. But what is dimethyl formamide? These two hydrogens are replaced by CH3 group, CH3. That is why N-prime dimethyl formamide. So here, so it is a polar solvent. So here is oxygen. Oxygen does what? It attracts the electron, thereby it becomes partially negative, and this carbon becomes partially positive. And here also there will be an electron pair. Okay, so therefore we come to know it is partial. It is a polar solvent. We understood this is a polar solvent, but there is no proton in it, no H plus ion in this solvent. Therefore this will be favoring the SN2 types of reaction. So what you need to know is polar aprotic solvent supports the SN2 reaction. So among the 4 solvents given here, ethanol, methanol, N-prime dimethyl formamide and water, only option C, that is N-prime dimethyl formamide, is a polar aprotic solvent. It is not having H plus ion in it. So therefore this only will favor the SN2 reaction. Therefore the correct answer is option C here. See, what you need to do here in order to answer this type of question, whether the substitution reaction is SN2 or SN1. See, SN1 reactions are supported by polar protic solvents. See, ethanol, methanol and water are polar protic solvent. If it is SN1 type, these 3 solvents will favor that reaction. But here there is SN2 reaction. SN2 reactions are favored by polar aprotic solvent. Among the 4 solvents given here, only N-prime dimethyl formamide is polar aprotic solvent. Therefore that is the correct answer. Hope the answer is very clear to you and you understood it very clearly. Please click the thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.